unboxing the June Boxyluxe. So BoxyCharm, if you don't know, it's a beauty product subscription that you pay $21 a month. However, like every 3 months they would add like $20 more and you would get this box, bigger box, more product. I just got it today and I haven't opened it, so it's gonna be my first time opening it. So let's check out what's inside. Let's unbox this thing. Let's see. It's called BoxyCharm Getaway. There's 9 products in this box. First one in the box. It's a blow dryer, so it's like a travel size, but I'm hoping I got a pink color. Please let it pink. Wait. Is this pink or purple? This is so cute. It's travel size. You can take it anywhere. So, and it comes in a small bag. What is this? Oh, with a little head. Oh, wait, it comes with this too. Oh, I didn't see that. So that one. Hi. Retail is 85 bucks. So in one product, you already get the money back. You know what I mean? Okay, next. Hi. Oh my gosh, what is this? Flip down to curl. It's an eyelash curler? So it's a mascara. This all-in-one lash curler tool and lash enhancing mascara gives you everything you need to take your lashes to the next level. It's the first of its kind. Oh. Okay. Flip to curl. Flip.
Huh?
Down. Oh. Okay. So retail for this is $25. Next. Ooh, what is this? Truffle Therapy Illuminating Skin Refreshing Mist. How much is this? This looks fancy. And this one retails $35. Ooh. It smells minty. It's refreshing, it's minty. It's like, it's cool on the face. But I feel like it sprays so thick. I think I'll just use this just to refreshen your face. You know, like when you're out there sweating, use this. Next is Dominique Cosmetic. She's a beauty guru. Christine Dominique. Please get. Oh yes! How cute! But how funny! It reminds me of Black Cosmetics. The casing and everything. Oh my gosh! It's like Black Cosmetics. Weird. Okay, but shall we swatch? It's a lip gloss, lemonade lip gloss for $17. Ooh, it smells like cupcake, frosted cupcakes. Ah. Well, obvious packaging, so cute, very cute. But like I said, it reminds me of Ann Curtis's BLK Cosmetics. And Ann Curtis is like a Filipino actress who has her own lipstick line. Next, I love Living Proof. So I got the full dry volume blast. Okay, is this a hairspray? It's a full dry volume blast. I guess it's not a hairspray, but it gives your hair volume. And this one sells for $29. Okay, next is Dr. Brand Clean Biotic. Another cleanser, BoxyCharm. Do they actually smell like that? They smell like paste. Anyways, next. It sells for $35. Next. Ooh. No pore problem. This one sells for $23. So how do you do this? Oh. How to use. At the last step of skincare, apply moderate amount and gently pat over skin until it is fully absorbed. It's slimy, but it smoothens your skin. It smells good. Next. Ooh, look at this. Honeymoon Glow. Retails $58. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. $58 for this. For some reason, each time I unbox things, look, I'm having a difficult time. I don't understand why. Once you cleanse, you use this. You use a moisturizer, you use a vitamin C if you use that, and then you end it with this. Yeah, I'm gonna use that tonight. It smells like honey, lemon, and ginger. So the youthful look, well, you'll get a youthful look with this product. Smooth complexion as the look of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles are reduced. Last but not least, it's a cheek palette. Alright, I'm gonna swatch the palette for you guys. Okay. You can't see really. Hi Odin. Brown looking color. Oh my gosh, I already had a little lamp. And then you got the two highlighters. Seriously, I cannot swatch. And then let's do this other highlighter. Mummy, Odin. Ooh, it looks nice. So there you have it, guys. You guys, I totaled up the price of each and every of all the 9 products, and it came out $352. And how much did I get that for? $50. So like I said, these are the colors from the cheek palette, and the rest of them are skincare and hair care. Just one lip gloss and a mascara. And yeah, I love my box. And then for my hair dryer, I didn't get the pink. However, it's purple, close enough. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing with me. So I'll see you guys on my next unboxing next month. So bye, ladies. Subscribe on Boxycharm if you want these products as well. It's really worth it. Bye.